Shemai, hi, I'm Matthew Robinson and I'm the Artistic Director of National Dance Company Wales. I'm here today to announce our programme from autumn 22 all the way through to the end of 2023. As a company, we are not fixed. We're moving, with ourselves, with others, and with the world around us. To be contemporary, we reflect now, dance of now, ideas of now, and the experience of living right now. First off, in November 22, we're bringing a party to Ystradgynlais and Ammanford. The evening is a co-created evening with a range of performances, including a new work by BBC Young Dancer competitor Thomas Carsley, and a work that is created between our dancers and members of the local community by Emily Robinson. The evening will round off with a tumpath where the whole audience is invited on stage with us to dance, to party. I think it's going to be a great night. Next up, in spring 23, we're presenting a brand new double bill of work. Audiences will have seen Tundra by Marcos Moral. Well, Marcos is back with a new work for the company called Waltz. Waltz is full of Marcos's trademark razor-sharp physicality. It's full of sumptuous design. The dancers are going to be head to toe covered in sequins. It's mysterious, it's exhilarating, it's a really powerful experience for an audience that takes them through some of the greatest musical waltzes in history. Alongside Waltz will be a brand new commission created by Sarah Golding and Yukiko Masui. Sarah and Yukiko are going to be collaborating with two beatboxers, including Dean Wynell, who is also the lead artist on the co-creation project we're involved in the town of Penrhys. The work is called Say Something, and audiences can expect to see the National Dance Company Wales dancers flying across the stage in full-body, powerful movement. Sarah and Yukiko are passionate about the music that moves them, and I think audiences can expect to be moved. Alongside our Spring 2023 tour, we're developing a range of engagement activities that people of all ages will be able to take part in. These will be delivered across Wales and beyond by our Dance Ambassador network and by our company dancers. In the summer of 2023, we've got a really exciting new project called 4x10. 4 works by 4 choreographers with the audience seated on 4 sides. Audiences are going to be able to get really up close to movement and experience the National Dance Company Wales dancers like never before. Three of the works will be performed by the company dancers. 2 of those will be created by our artistic associates, Oshan Malia and June Campbell-Davis, and a third will be created by Wrexham-born Daisy Howell. The 4th work will be created by me, and I will be creating that with our young associates. National Dance Company Wales has been supporting the development of young dancers over many years, and we've redeveloped our Young Associates programme to prepare dancers for the future. These young associates will be shaping the future of dance, and I'm really excited to be working with them. We're working on a really exciting collaboration with KNCCDC, the Korean National Contemporary Dance Company. This project will see a Welsh artist travel to South Korea and a South Korean artist travel to Wales. In each location, they will create a piece of work, and then the two companies will come together to perform in a double bill, both here in Wales and the UK, and in South Korea, taking dance around the world, taking Wales around the world, and really showing how art can cross borders. And then at the end of 2023, a first for National Dance Company Wales, we're going to be creating a brand new work for young people and their families. And to do that, we're going to be working with an icon of British contemporary dance, Lee Anderson. Lee is going to be working with a range of prolific collaborators to bring to life a really exciting, distinctive world for young people to experience. This work will premiere here in Cardiff in December 2023, and then we'll be on the road touring in spring 2024. This programme expresses where we are right now, but also our desire to keep evolving. It's a journey. I'm really excited to meet you out there in 2022 and 2023.